The Supreme Court dealt President Biden a major blow by striking down his vaccine mandate for large businesses. There are other tools the president has at his disposal to get COVID-19 under control, increasing access to testing and high-quality masks. Still, a lot of people criticizing the president for his response to all of this over the past year or so. And also, we've seen cases jump significantly with the spread of Omicron. Allison Harris is live at the White House with the president's next move, but certainly this one is going to affect a lot of companies, and a lot of businesses are maybe going to change their stance on this.
Yeah, Adrienne, so the Supreme Court decision yesterday was a major blow to the president. He's also dealing with the pandemic. We are in the third year of the pandemic. The president is still talking about testing. He's still talking about masks. The president pledging more supplies and more federal support yesterday as hospitalizations surge. COVID hospitalizations are at an all-time pandemic high as the Biden administration scrambles to flood the market with more free tests to alleviate long lines and now free masks. President Biden promising 500 million more free tests on top of the 500 million already ordered by the president. But the tests still haven't been distributed.
You can order free tests shipped to your home.
The vice president addressing the delay in an interview Thursday as the White House says it has procured 380 million of the tests so far.
They've been ordered. I have to look at the current information. I think it's going to be by next week, but soon, absolutely soon. And it is a matter of urgency for us.
The president also teasing an announcement he'll make next week. High quality masks for Americans for free, as the CDC is reportedly considering recommending N95 masks over others.
Please wear a mask. It's not that comfortable. It's a pain in the neck. But
the president is also directing military medical personnel to help overwhelmed hospitals.
We're overflowing into our outpatient areas with inpatients.
We are over capacity, meaning if capacity is 100%, we're over 100%.
The support being sent to hospitals in 6 states, including the Cleveland Clinic, Coney Island Hospital in Brooklyn, Rhode Island Hospital in Providence, Henry Ford Hospital outside Detroit, the University of New Mexico Hospital in Albuquerque, and University Hospital in Newark, New Jersey. Doctors and nurses desperate for help. And the Wall Street Journal is reporting this morning that some CVS and Walgreens pharmacies are going to be closed on the weekends. It's already causing some to be unable to fill their prescriptions. It's causing some COVID vaccine appointments to even be canceled. The White House has really relied on the private sector pharmacies, these major pharmacy retailers, to help distribute tests as well as help people get their shots. So this really doesn't bode well with the need to increase testing and get more people vaccinated. Adrienne?
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.